before you call the living room, and all we need for a suggestion is something that you are searching for in life.
Remote control.
A home control.
Remote control.
Remote control. No one hears my cries.
So I thought that I had found the holy grail of remote control.
Yeah, Bob,
Like,
tell me, Bob.
We had like 4 or 5 remotes, and when we got married, and we had, and then of course my wife she didn't know which remote to use for whatever. So I ended up getting like the one remote that happened to work with every single device that we have, and then it was still confusing because then you have to figure out which button on the remote that you need. You gotta like put it into a mode, and then it is still confusing.
See, I don't agree with buttons. I think there's just too many of them. It's like, why can't we just have one button that says, hey, on?
You mean everything goes on?
Yeah, just everything goes on. Why not?
Like lights and the coffee maker too?
Well, I mean, it's a smoking on.
What?
Well, you just like say, coffee on.
Oh, you can talk to it?
Yeah, why not? Use the voice activated. I mean, you could be like, radio on, shower on.
You're holding a remote for your shower?
Why not?
So you have a remote that controls not only electronics but plumbing as well?
Yeah, that would be sweet.
That's
Really good, don't think about that.
That would be fantastic. However, the ramifications in the engineering world to make that actually happen. I mean, do you understand the bytes that you have to send to a pipe? No. To turn on the
I have no concept of that. I just want to turn on.
This is why you need me in your life.
I
So wait. All these houses that are like, 50, 100 years
well,
old.
they're screwed. I'll be honest. Like, you can't, you go to the Willow District and like, what are you going to do? You got like a pump for your water.
I don't know.
Wait. So all of a sudden, every house in the Willow District is a little house on the prairie?
Pretty much.
Like Michael Landon doesn't live in my house.
How many have been to your house? It's like a little house in the prairie.
You don't you go off the pump from water, right?
I do.
The only weird thing about it,
It takes like 10 minutes for the hot water to come on.
yeah, that's not water.
I go to the bathroom and I want to wash my hands. I gotta sit there looking in the mirror for like 5 minutes until it gets warm.
That's a feature, not a bug, because I'm waiting for the water to get hot. The only thing that's weird about my remote is I'm a little weird. So like they give you this option to name the devices on the remote, right?
Like Carrie and Cindy.
No, simple things like DVD, VCR, TV.
You should be personalized with those.
Exactly, that's what I did.
That's why I say Carrie and Cindy and Janet. Janet's my DVD in my mind.
Really?
Janet.
Wait, Janet from Three's Company, Janet?
She's pretty hot.
Well, what if that'd be so confusing if it was your voice recognition one? Because then if you walk in the house and
wait.
Janet.
I'll be honest.
That's why you set them to say Janet's my DVD.
No, I
and
want to be
Sarah
honest.
is going to be my dishwasher that I don't have.
I want to be honest right now. I want to walk in my house and say Janet on.
I would love to put Janet on every time I walk in the door.
Say it.
Exactly.
You have the right remote.
But what if it's your first date or something? You bring it first time you're dating this girl. First time you bring her back to your house, and then it's like you walk in the kitchen and you're just like Sarah dishes. And she's just like, what the fuck? Because her name's Sarah. Then what?
Maybe you specify and say, I met Sarah with an H.
Okay, that's going to be really convenient for you to backpedal on that whole thing. It just happens to be that I also named my dishwasher Sarah. Way before I met you.
But if the dishwasher starts, then she knows she doesn't have to do them.
How do you get this thing working?
You gotta take the cap off. It's a clean out.
It's not coming off.
It's not as simple as a clean out. Every house has a clean out. You take the cap off and you put a snake down there and you pull shit out when it's clogged up. That's why we call it a clean out. Most of the time though, unfortunate to us, it gets covered with grass because you don't often access your clean out.
Yeah, it's not working for me.
Well, it's because you didn't take the cap off and shove a snake down it. You gotta shove a snake down it.
Will you
put a snake down it?
I don't even know what that is in the truck.
Dude, if you don't have a snake, you're not gonna have like free flowing water. You're.
Show me what I'm looking for.
I'll show you. I'll show you a snake.
Wait, I don't, there's nothing
Oh,
here.
I'm going upstairs. You got my snake.
Can you keep it back there?
What, you want me to leave it out all the time? That's assuming that my shit clogs up all the time. A snake has a set screw on the side, see?
All right.
And then you pull it out. And it
Yeah.
looks like an antenna, but it's a clear.
All right.
So you
Well, get the cap off. Show me what you're talking about. Get the cap off.
I'll fucking take the cap off.
No, the cap off that thing.
Oh, that's it? Oh, hold my fucking snake. It's a clean out. Hold on. You got a weed whacker. This thing is covered in grass.
Probably in the truck. I don't even know what that looks like.
Yeah.
It's fine. Oh. You got that on. I'm not, that ain't part of my job. I'm not smearing shit all over my face.
It's just grass. You want to take 3 feet out, and then you want to put that you want to put that
Well,
in.
how do you hook it up to Bessie?
Put it right here.
That is crazy.
Yeah.
Bessie.
I could get used to this job.
Go faster.
Hey, Mark, I tell you what, your drains are going to be cleaned down in about 22 minutes.
Not the way I'm going. Welcome to my house. This is where I bring all the lovely ladies.
Sarah, on.
Sarah, off.
Did something just speak my name?
That was my heart.
This date is a little bit more forward than I expected.
Wait till the third one.
Christina, resume.
Christina, out.
Another girl here?
Just my blind.
I am not into that, no matter where she is.
She's hiding. She's dormant. She's resting.
I thought we had an exclusive relationship.
We do. You're my only human love.
Aphrodite, suspend.
Suspend!
Nice.
I didn't think you would like an accordion this early in the love.
It's the one thing that's keeping me here.
Oh.
Resume!
Please state name. Please state name.
Rigeldo.
Please state operation.
God damn it, just start!
I'm really not comfortable with the tone you're taking.
I'm not comfortable with your clothes still being on. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to draw on the wall.
Sorry doesn't fix the crayon marks.
But the crayon marks were of you, Mommy.
The what marks?
The crayon. Crayon. Crown. The crown box. The Deutsch box.
Yo.
You're absolutely,
Richard box.
you're absolutely grounded. You're absolutely,
Wiki.
you're absolutely grounded until you can say the word correctly.
That's confounded. I can't be grounded.
That is correct. You may leave your room.
I am erect. I need a broom.
Well, with the broom, I need something to sweep.
I need a loom. Oh! My brother was in the room.
Was he?
Yes.
Was the room a tomb?
It should be in a tomb.
Why?
This is a horrible movie.
If you're sick of movies, you should switch to cartoons.
Ah! There's a chair in my way.
There is a chair in your way.
Sit down, you get the beer. Why don't you just give me a beer?
Do we have beer?
Of course we have beer. We also have beer.
I drank all your beer last
But
night.
then we don't have fucking beer.
I know. Well, you told me to take the last one where you're eating a freaking filet mignon at midnight.
Why is that a hard thing? Like, you sprinkle a little fucking pepper on the steak and it doesn't matter what time it is.
Oh!
Fresh pepper.
Fresh pepper.
He was making steak at midnight.
Last night.
Last night.
Woo!
Yes.
Yes, he's kind of lying a little bit, because not only did I make steak, but I sliced up 3 tomatoes and I
he went all out.
grilled
Yeah.
them. I grilled them too.
You're having kebabs at midnight?
No, not a kebab. It was
They're
a steak.
roasted. It was grilled on the grill, and then you top the steak.
For how many people?
Two.
Just me
Well,
and
one.
Sam.
I was like the dog at the table, actually. Like, he would seriously, he'd be like, he'd take a tortilla chip and put a little piece of meat on there and go, here you go. And then, like, as he's handing it to me, he's so drunk anyways, it, like, falls off. So the steak's on the table anyways, so I'm just like, all right. I didn't actually do that. It's partially true.
He had like multiple steaks on the grill now?
No, it was huge.
Oh, one?
There's a
It
New York
was
strip.
huge.
There's a New York strip. They're always big.
Well, there was like 12 ounces probably, right?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Am I fucking drunk?
This is not 12 ounces. I don't know.
I mean,
It could be 2 ounces.
it could be real thin. Then it's a skirt steak.
You're right. You're right.
A skirt steak.
Wait a minute. I can make skirt.
A flank steak. Maybe it's a flank steak.
No,
I real thin ones.
Skirt steak, dude?
You've never heard of skirt steak? I think those are real thin.
Fucking lift that shit and put it on the grill.
It takes like 2 seconds to cook. You put it down there and it's done.
I mean, that's perfect.
I know. It's like a Philadelphia or Pittsburgh grill.
That's nice.
Pittsburgh where you only grill one side and leave the other side raw.
I think you're thinking of a Chicago sear.
I don't know. I only lived there. I didn't like submerge myself. No, anyways, he was making steak. Well, we had late night company that we kind of weren't expecting. And Mark, well, it was Mark Jordan.
Yeah, we sure.
It wasn't like, I mean, you know, it wasn't like girls.
What do you mean you don't know? What do you mean, like, you know? What is that?
Well, you know, come on. Well, actually, Tommy's the king of like late night booty calls.
Yeah.
But really?
Like, I bet half the people in here probably got a call from him.
Shut up, just
You know,
If they have it, they will.
Yeah.
Next week.
leave your number at the door for Tommy.
No, don't, because I already know it.
The answer is 32.
Sure.
I would like to claim my prize now.
Okay, what do you want? Do you have nail files or nail clippers?
I will take the giant nail clippers at the top row.
Letitia, on!
This is only good for one nail. After that, it rusts.
It's gonna be a novelty gift.
To your mother?
Why, yes.
Ah! That was my answer. Now my prize is I want my nail back.
Mother!
All right, if you want another try,
I do.
what's the answer?
I do want another try. That's my answer.
Oh, you win!
I would like the giant nail clippers.
Nail clippers, you win! You win, nail clippers! Congratulations!
Thank you. Thank you. You have a good day now.
Wait, I'm not done guessing!
Oh.
Shoelaces! You have them, I win! You're right!
Maybe don't you think it's a little late to be eating? That's going to be bad for your diaphragm. And I'm not talking about birth control.
I don't plan on going to bed. If I don't go to bed, I can't digest badly.
How are you going to get up for work?
I'm just gonna go right through the day.
Right through the fucking...
Right through the day.
Wait a minute. So,
Like a man on the Matterhorn.
So you're-
right through the day.
you're coming to me with the words that are saying you're going to go through work without any kind of sleep.
No sleep.
Without any kind
I'm
of
gonna
sleep.
land those planes and they're gonna come down one way or the other.
Because you're going to probably want to put the wheels down any
Put the wheels on the ground. What it doing? Hot Wheels. Hot Wheels. They're on fire.
Those wheels are way too tiny for a 747.
No.
Tower, it doesn't look clear at all.
It's clear from here. You little queer. Slide that mother.
Don't forget to steer!
Steer clear. There's voices in my ear.
Tower, is there someone Tower, we're getting cross signals here. We're really running low on fuel at this point.
Fuel schmule, I got a mule. I got the thumbs up from the guy waving the things. Yeah.
Those are called fools.
I'm buying you coffee later.
So Tower, we're clear then. Sounds like we're clear.
Yeah. Let down. I'm taking you up on milk and cookies.
Worst job ever.
Kmart. I worked there as a K-13.
Really?
K-13 was carboy and carryout.
Yeah.
Yeah, the letter K dash number 13.
That was your ID?
12th grade? What?
And that was my first legit job. I was 16. One of the worst things I had to do there, in the bathroom one day, they called for a cleanup.
Yeah, buddy.
And when I went in there, somebody pooped all over the place. Literally pooped all over the place.
In the
fact,
center on the counter?
no, there's a stall with a bathroom.
Oh.
Everything in there was covered with poop. To the point that somebody actually picked up their own feces and wrote the word fuck on the wall. No joke. 100% real. Worst job I ever had to do. It was me and my friend Brandon. We were working there. We got called in. He didn't. I don't even think he came back to work the next week. Honestly.
Who would
I'm back
do
in.
that shit?
But you know what? I had a racket going at Kmart because I was a klepto then. I got promoted out to the garden shop, and at that point you close at like 8 o'clock. All you do is water the flowers for an hour or two,
I'm sorry,
and
what?
you leave the garden shop. You water the
Is
flowers.
that cold or is that...
Yeah, for grab your cart, fill it up with the shit I want, whatever you want, and let's get out the back door. No, seriously, I stole so much shit back then. I was a huge klepto.
What would you steal from Kmart? It's stupid shit.
I got a tool set. I got like CDs. Bullets. I got like books. Yeah.
Bullets.
Bullets? I don't know. What was that? Bullets?
Bullets.
Yeah, bullets.
No, the
You
bullets
didn't
were locked
steal a
up.
gun. Did you?
Those are locked up.
That's how stupid you are. You would just steal bullets.
I got a book of stamps. I didn't get the stationery with the stamps.
Yeah.
They're right here. You can mail anything you want. You just supply your own paper.
Yeah. Yeah.
Why? You have no one to mail to?
All I got was 8 refills and not a pen.
That sucks. I wish I had a pen.
It's not a match at all.
No, this is like 1908 versus like 1988. Nobody mails shit anymore.
Store dudes. I totally got all the Swiffer pads that were back there. Wait. Do you have a Swiffer?
No,
Do you have a Swiffer?
No.
no. But I have a giant toenail clipper.
But aren't you so chipper?